Hi, welcome back. So as we've seen in previous videos, there are a lot of settings in prompts that we can configure and really tweak to our heart's content. So we can have our environment set up exactly the way we want it to. What's great is that we can also share these settings around, not only for the general overview settings, but also for some of the specific minutiae as well. So let's have a look at how that works. Okay, so once again, I'm going to go up to the top to select the SQL Prompt menu option. And from there, I'm going to select the Options selection. Now, at the bottom of the Options screen, you can see we've got the Import and Export options. So I can select to export my settings as a .settings file, or similarly, import a .settings file. Now there are some specific features of prompt that I may want to do that on an ad hoc basis. So, for example, snippets. If I navigate to the snippets section, and we can actually specify a location to store our snippets. Doing this in that way allows us to share snippets around our team or even around our entire organization. The next particular feature that I may want to share with my team or with my wider team would be specific formatting styles. So if I open the formatting styles section of the options menu and go to edit formatting styles, you can see again we have a folder location at the top, which is where we can save our styles and again share them around, open them up. It's important to note that with this kind of folder, it can also be a team shared drive, and it doesn't have to be a local folder, so I can share that around my entire team. Finally, we also have the code analysis settings. So if I close this window, go back up to the SQL Prompt menu option, and then select the Manage Code Analysis Rules option. Now from here, I can specify exactly what code analysis rules I want to run by simply checking and unchecking the selection box. And when I'm happy with that, I can save and save that as. So I hope that gives you a good overview of exactly what settings you can share around members of your team. And like I said, it's really important that it's not just yourself that you're sharing these with. Other members of the team, you might have a specific style that you want to share around, or there might even be a company-wide formatting style that each individual has to adhere to. So this is how we can easily share those around. Thank you.